Hello dear students, my name is Andriy Vakulenko, I'm your Ukrainian teacher, and in this video lesson we are going to talk about past tense of Ukrainian verbs. I hope you already watched video about the future tense in Ukrainian language on my channel, and today we are going to talk about минулий час. In Ukrainian, the past tense of the verb is not conjugated in the true sense of the word, but instead the verb merely agrees in gender and number with its subject. Like other attributes, it has the three gender forms in the singular and one form for all in the plural. So you remember about gender forms. Чоловічий, жіночий, середній. And only one form in the plural. The past tense of verbs is formed by adding the following endings to the infinitive stem. So, take your pencils and pens and write down. Ending v for the masculine, ending la for the feminine, and ending lo for the neuter, and ending li for the plural of all three genders.
Я робив домашнє завдання вчора. Вона працювала в Нью-Йорку 5 років тому. Воно не працювало. Ми хотіли піти на пляж.
You should remember that Ukrainian verbs in the infinitive have the ending ty. So if you see this kind of verbs, you can say for sure that this is infinitives. By subtracting this ending from the infinitive, one obtains the infinitive stem. Let's take a look. Давайте подивимось. So, repeat after me. Verbs in infinitive. Робити. Робити. The stem роби. Читати. Читати. The stem чита. Говорити. Говорити. The stem говори. Стояти. Стояти. The stem стоя. And now let's form the past tense of these verbs. To do. As we already know, the stem is роби. In masculine we will say робив. Робив. In feminine робила. Робила. The emphasis on the sound and on the letter ü. The emphasis on the letter ü. Робила. Neuter. Робило. Робило. And plural робили. Вчора ми робили до 5 години вечора. Вона дуже довго робила у цьому місті. Okay, the next. To read. The stem чита. Masculine. Читав. Читав. Feminine. Читала. Читала. Emphasis on letter A. Читала. Neuter. Читало. Читало. And plural. Читали. Try to do the same for the next two verbs. To speak and to stand. It will be your homework. You just add these endings of the past tense to the stem of the verbs. For masculine, it's ending v. For feminine, ending la. For neuter, ending lo. And for plural, ending li. And now let's take a look for the past tense of the verb бути, to be. It's very popular in Ukrainian language and in English language also. So here we have the stem bu, bu. Repeat after me, bu. In masculine, we add letter v. Був, була, in feminine. Було, були. And now let's do some tasks. Try to make the correct past tense form of the verb indicated for each of the following sections. Ми вчора, and we must put this verb бути, but in the correct form. We can see that in this sentence we have these personal pronouns ми, we. So it's plural, because there are many of us. Ми. Ми вчора були в опері. Ми вчора були в опері. The next one is a bit trickier. На кріслі, we must to put this verb бути in the correct form, книжка. And here we must to define what gender is this noun книжка. Книжка is feminine gender. And we know that in feminine gender we say була. На кріслі була книжка. На кріслі була книжка. The next sentence. На книжці лист. And we must to define the gender of this noun, list, a letter. It's masculine gender. So, на книжці був лист. Okay, and now try to do it by your own with the next verb. The next verb, стояти, to stand. The next verb. Try to do this task by your own and write down your answers into the comments. Okay, guys. Тож, сподіваюсь, це відео було корисним для вас. Дякую за перегляд. If you would like, you can support my channel on Buy Me a Coffee and on Patreon. See you soon. Скоро побачимось.